Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FOMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes just summarizing the price action today very straightforward. So if you say, Clay, look, summarize the price action, this was a total pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying that towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm saying that based on how the price acted today, hence price action. So from a price action perspective, a pump and dump. And how do I define a pump and dump? Well, a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it all started, or in some cases lower. So in this situation, let's establish some context. And the big point of context is going into today, the resistance point was right here at $6.20. So you go back through the history of the chart and you can see for the longest time, the price was trapped below $6.20. So that was, the resistance. So with that in mind, let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Well, we just established that the price started right there on the breakout and it went all the way up there. I'm hoping we can all agree that was a really nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in one single day, once more, I'm thinking we can all agree this did indeed happen in a very short amount of time. And then finally, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. And you look at where the price ultimately closed on the day right there, and not to insult your intelligence, but you correspond that with where the price was in the past. And literally, the price is right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength, not what a truly strong move is going to do. So this totally puts it at pump and dump status. Now, don't get me wrong. Am I saying that the price can never, ever make another good move again? I'm not saying that at all. So another way you could look at it is maybe back to the drawing board for the bulls. But as far as the gap up today is concerned, yeah, a gap and trap, pump and dump, whatever you want to call it. But there is absolutely zero true strength behind the gap up. So we'll see if the bulls can, like I said, put together a new move, or if this thing's just going to drift back into the, the range it was at, and then eventually drift into oblivion. Only time will tell. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.